In this lesson, we are going to be discussing powers and roots of numbers. The first thing we are going to consider is power of a number. Power of a number. This is a way of writing a number when multiplied by itself. For examples, we can have 3 times 3. 3 times 3, what do we have here? Now, how many 3 are we having here? 1, 2. So we have 3 raised to the power of 2. The 2 here is the power, and it's also known as the exponent. We can also have 4 times 4 times 4. What do we have here? 1, 2, 3. 4 raised to the power of 3. The 3 here is called the power, and it's also known as the exponent. Now, let's go to root of numbers. Root of a number. This is the number such that when multiplied by itself gives original number. In summary, we can say that root of a number is the opposite of power of a number. Take note. Now, let's look at examples on this. For example, if I have 2 times 2 times 2, this is equal to what? 2 times 2, 4 times 2, that is 8. So this 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3 normally. And it's also the same thing as 8. From here, I can write, this is the same thing as what? I can write this to be cube root of 8 will give us what? 2. So cube root is an example of root of a number. I can have 4 times 4. Is the same thing as what? 4 raised to the power of 2. Because we have 1, 2. Now this is the same thing as 16. Now, if you observe from the first example, 1, 2, 3, it deals with cube root raised to the power of 3. Now, 1, 2, that is square root. So it means that square root of 16 will give us this number, which is like the base, which is equals to 4. I can have, for example, 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. How many times are we having here? How many 7? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, this with what? 4th root. Take note. So this is 7 raised to the power of what? 4. And this implies that what? We have this to be 4th root of what? 4th root of 7 raised to the power of 4 will also give us what? 7. Take note of that. So you can see this explain the difference between powers and root of numbers. Thank you.